Connecting. I think it's starting. Is it working? Hello?
No.
You're alive. There we go, finally. Wow, that was a couple minutes late, 4 minutes late. I don't think they're going to be watching anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Wow, that was... Okay, there, now it's live, yeah.
Turn me down on your end, will you? Because I'm going to have you on my phone here.
Alright. I'm not going to watch it, though. Man.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you're live right now, so...
Yeah, I'm live. Alright, so let's... So right now I'm talking to my buddy Henry. He's on the phone right there. Me and him talk usually every morning. And we talk about our stocks, what's moving. We're looking at the biggest percent gainers every single day and previous plays from the day before. Right now, my only position that I have right now is NAT, which is right here. These are 30-minute candles. It looks like it's gapping down a little bit. The chart's breaking down. It's rolling over. I am short at $4.30. Shorted right up here. And I took a little bit of profits yesterday at $4.20, and I'm holding the rest for further downside this morning. So that's my one position. Other top potential play is SES. Watching this one for a bounce. This is a big mover. Last few days went from gapped up. These are daily candles. Went from $3 to $25 in 2 days, and then now it's rolled over and it's been crashing last day and a half. It's gapping down right now, so the plan on this one is if this thing gets over 950, which would be the green to red, that's what that dotted line is it would be a buy. And for me, if I go to a 30-minute chart, the last couple of days, I would expect a bounce anywhere from 950 to the 1250s to 15s, right in here. It could go further, but that would be my goals is to get to like 1250. I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't probably even hold it to 1250 because I have patience issues, especially on the long side. Hell, I was long SES at $3.16 last Friday and sold it like $3.70. And it went to 25 the next day. So, shows you what my skills are like. Also, a sympathy play to SES would be BIMI. So if you miss the move on, SES, BIMI would be the sympathy play to it. It's also gapping down. It was a sympathy play. I actually almost top ticked it yesterday. I was long from 375. Sold it in the pre-market yesterday at $12.50. So that was an amazing sale. Thank God I took profits. Markets open in 3 minutes. So BMI, SES, Vive is the biggest percent gainer of the day. There's Vive gapping up. Looks like it gapped up after hours yesterday. I didn't see any news on it. Did you see any news on it, Henry?
No news.
So, yeah, recent reverse split about a month ago. So the float is, I have on my scanner that the float is under 200,000.
Yeah, it hit 1150 pre-market. It's consolidating right now. I would say, between 10 and, VWAP's around 9. So holding VWAP pretty good. Had one pullback down in the 780s about 26 minutes ago, and then it's been kind of holding strong since. So I'm watching that one.
I would say that the plan for Vive for me would be that if I'm looking at the chart right here, it had that dip down to $8. That's a whole round number. It had when it first started spiking, that's where it kind of topped out, and then it broke out past 8. So I'm for me at the market open. This thing, it's already up 100. It's still up 143%. So if it dips down, I would look to dip buy it. I would look to dip buy it right around $8. Or
Yeah, I was thinking.
yeah, this thing's so volatile though. So a lot of times you wait for the confirmation. You wait for it to put in a low and then maybe put in a higher low before you buy it. But this is one of those ones where it could just dip down, hit a bottom, and then be there for a couple minutes, and then just shoot, and go to the moon. So we got what, 1 minute till the market open?
Yeah, not even.
Not even. How many seconds, Henry?
We're actually
open now.
Yeah.
So SES doing nothing. Nothing yet. And here comes our dip. It's almost stocks, usually 8 out of 10 stocks that are up over 80% on the day usually have a dip right at the market open. All these pre-market buyers sell into it. Bag holders that have been holding it forever sell into this gap up.
People that have the other trade and Robinhood and that can't sell pre-market and things, they're selling now.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So yeah, it's had a little dip from the 950s down to the mid 8s right now. Nat red on the day. SES still doing nothing. There goes SES. Big pop from 8 to 860. Oh, and slap down. So look at that. There we go. There's a high day break on VIVE. I can't buy it though. Trying to break it. I can't buy it. I have to wait for it to set up some more.
Yeah, it's too.
There it goes.
That's kind of choppy though.
There was the 850 buy, the 860. That was the spot to buy. I didn't want to pull the trigger right there because it's just like you don't know. You know what I mean? It could have just easily just hit 850, came back up to 9, and then just dropped down to 8 or 750. I don't know. I think you have to wait for it to set up a little bit more.
BNGO starting to set up.
So BNGO was a big pre-market mover also, but it gave it all up.
But I like how it's not giving it up at the open.
So yeah, BNGO could have bought right at the open, 108, 120. Yeah, could have made 10 cents on it right there.
See what it does.
Yeah.
And just like that.
So far, no trades yet. So I'm going to be trying to do these, go live. I'm going to try to be consistent about going live every single Wednesday. Maybe some other days I might go live, but like Wednesday is like the best day for me to get rid of my kid, take her to daycare. So I'm going to try to be consistent about Wednesdays, or else, otherwise she'll be making noise in the background and be kind of a distraction. Normally I trade with her in the morning, and there's cartoons going and stuff like that. Look at that, VIVE. I can't buy it. I can't buy it up here. SES trying to bounce a little bit. SES with a little bounce off of 8. Look at that. Look at that slap from 950. What a jerk. Back to 8. Okay, now I might get interested in it right here.
That's a big pullback there.
Wow.
That hit that pullback just at pre-market even more.
So I think I might buy right into this. All right, I'm in. I'm in at 993.
793?
793. Thank you. I used the hotkey to get in. Quicker execution. Let's see here. 2. I'm going to look to sell half. Get my order ready.
Brian, TEVA just popped up on my alerts. It had some news just come out at 8:23. One we traded a week or two ago. This is the one that I told you, fluctuates from $6 to $9.
Give me a second. I'll look at that one in a minute. This one's really super focused on VIVE right now. I've got an order to sell half at 820, but right now it is not doing that. Right now I'm down $100 on it. I took a half a position. I might add in some more at 7. We'll see. It looks like it's kind of putting in a base at 750. Probably could have got a better entry, but I didn't know if it was going to immediately be like a rubber band where it just pops right back. Where I could have got out a minute later at like 850. Anyways, what was the ticker you said?
TEVA, Teva. T as in Tom.
Oh yeah. They just came out with news just now?
8:23 something ADR. More news I really don't understand, but
Having trouble getting over 8. I could sell right here for break even. But Daddy's not looking for break even. And look at that. SES. Perfect dip buy off of $8. It's down up to 9 now.
Squeezing 920.
Yep. I'm going to alert that. So this vibe is not bouncing. I'm running out of patience. It can't get over 8. It just gets punked out every time. As soon as it's 8. Am I being impatient, Henry? Should I give it more time or should I just get out right now for break even? There we go. Over 8. I'm going to try to sell at 820. I got an order in at 820. And of course, it doesn't get there. Motherfucker, come on. Got an order at 820.
BIMI starting to move.
So, BIMI would be a sympathy play. Might have to cancel my order. I don't know if it's going to get over 8. Got my order in at 8.20, and it is not. Damn it, it's not getting there. I'm going to get out. I'm going to wait for one little pop to get out into. I am down $31 on it. Okay, sold. I'm out at 7.84. Lost $46. I might buy, because I think this is just. I think this is, a lot of times when they have a little tiny bounce, I think this has some more downside. So I might try to buy it again here in a second. But it does not like that $8 area. See, look at it. Rolling over. Going to break low a day. No news. Doesn't have a catalyst. I might try to buy it again here. Maybe in the low 7s. Pre-market support. Yeah, so that's a little support in the low 7s. All right, I just tried to buy it again at 7.46. Told myself to wait till it got down to 7. I took a half position though. I'm going to look to add here at 7. It's going to hold 7. What do you think, Henry? You think I should wait for confirmation? Wait till it bounces off 7 a little bit?
I'm actually watching BIMI. I might.
SES was the play, man.
Yeah.
I had a plan for it, and I didn't execute. Look, I told myself I didn't want to buy it when it was red on the day, though.
I'm going to try to get in BIMI at an even $5, maybe $4.95 if it pulls back.
Okay. Yeah, I like that, Henry.
The volume's starting to slow down, though.
There we go. We're starting to get a little bounce on VIVE. Man, I got a shitty entry. I didn't cut it quick enough. Just trying to figure out where I want to get my ad in on this. Maybe I won't get an ad.
Doesn't hold 7. I don't know.
Yeah, it's still up.
84%.
Yeah.
Over 80%. I mean.
Yeah, it's coming back a little bit. When I sold the first time, in my head I was thinking to myself, all right, buy somewhere close to $7. That would be your next entry point. and of course I didn't have patience with my entry, and I got in at 750. So right now I could get in like I could have gone in around 705, 706, and I'd be up right now, and then I'd only be risking. I could put my risk at 671. So now it's starting to bounce a little bit.
Got a lot of resistance around 1160 right now. Looks like a lot of people want to sell by level 2.
Which one are you talking about?
The 5 VIV. VIV.
I'm gonna get out of this under this pop at break even. My entry was 746.
ENDP just hit my alert high day, breaking high day.
Go to order in at 740, but I don't know if it's gonna get there.
So Brian, what do you think of the no commission fees? How does that help people trade in stocks?
I think that it's all right. I sold some of my Vive at 732. I didn't get a fill on all of it. I sold about 3/4 of it. What do I think about the no commissions?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's fucking badass considering I paid up to from January 1 till the point where they gave us 0 commissions. I paid $4,360 something to E-Trade. So that basically is that is awesome. So I am in love with the fact that they're doing that. Okay, so now that I sold some of my Vive, maybe I can re-enter here. Boom. Alright, I'm in. 706. And then I'm going to risk the low of this candle, 672.
I'm assuming there's no shares to short.
No, not on the stock this low. I didn't even check, but I'm almost 100%. Unless you have like a real high-end broker.
I don't know, dude. I'm not feeling confident. I think it's gonna just start dying off.
On Vive, you think it's got more downside before it bounces?
The last 7 candle, 5-minute candles, they're just all red. Look at the 5-minute chart.
See, is this a lower high right here? See, had the low at 671, and then it putting in another low at 689. So now I'm up on it. I'm up $50. I'll sell into a push over 750. This is the exact same setup as what SES was whenever on day one when it first started running. It was up like 80% on the day. It dipped down. I bought it, and then it just went to the moon. Okay, I've only been to the moon once, and that was with BIMI. Other than that, I always sell too early.
Look at BIMI. I mean, if it starts getting the volume, it could squeeze again today.
Yeah, I agree.
I like it to consolidate a little bit because I have a little more patience than Brian, fellow YouTubers. Let's see how long it holds over the VWAP here. I got about 496 for VWAP. 493. Yeah, 493. Just hit over 550,000 volume, so.
Alright. Taking a dip. Maybe I should have just took my $50.
Yeah, dude, I don't trust it. I'd get out and stop over trading it.
Hasn't hit my risk yet. Almost. I'm gonna put in the double bottom right here. And I had my finger on the trigger. And there it goes.
Yeah. Walk away.
Ah, I hit my stop loss. That sucks. Wow. So 2 losses on it back to back. First one was a small scratch. Second one hurt a little bit. I'll watch it though. SES putting in a dip right now. You can buy it right there at you can buy it right here in the 840s. Risk $8. You want to risk 40 cents. Kind of a wide risk. 5%. I know Vive is going to have a bounce coming here soon. Did it just get halted?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
On the way down.
That's not good.
No, it's gonna drop like a rock.
I mean, if it's going up and you're stuck in the halt, that's a good thing. If it's going down and you're stuck in the halt, that's a really, really bad thing. Usually they gap down, or gap up, depending on which way it's going. Yeah, it's already kind of gapping down. Or look at the level 2. So it got halted at 623. Well,